Auto review. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about Odoo and open source business management software. So let's get started. So as you can see, Odoo is an open source ERP enterprise resource planning software to enhance its capabilities and streamlines toward business operation. It will make your business life more easier and you can use more efficient time of on your business. So let's head over to Odoo. So there we go. This is Odoo's interface. Now let's say you want to try it for free, then you can tap onto this option at the top right corner to write free. Also you can sign in directly if you wish to. So now let's tap on to try it for free. As this is a beginner friendly tutorial, just tap on to try it for free. Now you have to answer some basic questions. For example, that what is your website for e-commerce, events, e-learning. I'm gonna tap on to e-learning. You can also choose this sales, CRM, or etc. if you want. For example, I would like to sell my course on subscription, so you can choose finance. I'm gonna not answer this one because my topic is not about finance. You can check out your services. You can add these things, for example, projects, field service if you wish to, but for now I'm not gonna complete it, and I think that's enough. I'm gonna tap knowledge. You can enter supply chains if you wish to. You can enter marketing styles if you want. Also you can choose your human resources and etc. Also you can tap onto the studio customizations, but for now I'm just gonna use it for free, so I'm gonna tap on to continue. Now you have to enter your first name. For example, I'm going to enter my first name. You have to enter your company name. For example, I'm going to enter my company name to Knowledge Wisdom and then odoo.com. Now you have to enter your email address. Then you have to choose your country. For example, I'm going to choose USA. Let me find USA. Okay, so right now I'm not seeing the USA option. Let's go to company size, choose your employee size. I'm not entering it right now because it will cost time to find it up. Okay, I find it. Now you can choose your primary interested, like you can just choose all of them. So I'm going to tap on I'm a teacher. You can choose your language, you can choose anything. Now you have to tap on to start now, but before getting started you have to enter your phone number. So right now I'm going to tap onto this phone number option. Let me add a random phone number. Then you have to tap on to start now. Okay, a valid phone number is required. Okay, that's it. There we go. As you can see, we have been logged into Odoo successfully, and it will start generating our website right now. As you can see, it is making my, or you can say building my e-learning websites. It should just analyze all the informations I provided to you earlier. For example, I chose it to e-learning platform. I added subscriptions, experience, etc. It will just analyze the whole thing together and make a perfect website for me. You can follow the exact same steps and it will also create your perfect website. And don't worry if your niche is different, like if you are a, let's say if you are a course seller, you can just sell your course on different niches. You just have to enter them according to your need. Now there we go. You can see this, my website has been made. Now let's tap on to let's do it. Now you have to answer these things like what do you want. I want a business website, or you can say an learning platform. I'm gonna talk about, let's say I'm gonna talk about finance. Okay, let's choose coffin supplier. Coffin supplier is nice. Now you have to, with the main objective to sell more. Okay, now you have to choose a color palette for your website. I'm gonna choose this one. Also you can upload one if you wish to by going back here. You can see you can upload it right here, your logo from here, but for now this one is perfect. Now you have to add some features and pages here. You can choose them. For example, I'm going to choose e-learning, which is already chosen. You can also choose some extra things for pricing, services, privacy policy. Now lastly you have to tap on to build my website, and there you go. You can also choose a theme from here, and also you can view more theme, but right now I'm gonna go with this basic one. And there you go. As you can see, my website is being created right from here. As you can see, it is searching my images, applying colors and design to my website, generating inspiring text to attract more people, or you can say customers or learners, as I am using a or creating an e-learning platform. So as you can see, it is now installing my e-learning platform, and that's it. It is activating the last features of it. So let's see how it turns out. It's taking a lot of time because this is a free version. If I were using a paid subscription, the process would be much more faster and you can add more things on it, more briefly describe details to your website. So as you can see, my website is being loaded, and there we go. This is what my website looks like, a perfect website to start selling or teaching people. So as you can see, my website about coffin supplier. So there we go. Now let's say you want to edit more your website, then at the top right corner you can see this edit option and you can start editing. Also you can check out your mobile preview. This is something what it will look like, but let's edit it a little bit. Let's go to edit option and let me show you how you can edit your website. So there we go. You can now edit your text if you want to. Coffin design to your loved one. So for example, I'm going to change this text to hated ones, and I'm going to choose this text and I'm going to animate it. For example, I'm going to choose it to fade, flipping text here, and you can make the intensity more higher. You can also edit this, all of these things. You can also add media if you wish to, but for now I would like to delete this one and highlight this text. And if you want, let's say I want to highlight this text, then you just have to choose the text and then you can add shadows to it. Like you can choose shadow colors. As you can see, the shadow colors has been added by the side, and you can just check it out. You just have to edit everything according to your needs. You can add columns. You can also add images onto blocks. For example, like this, you can add more images. You can add more content columns if you wish to. You just need to play around with the whole options here. You can change the theme right from here, light and dark to more. You can just change them and then lastly save. So that's it. Now let's say you want to publish it, so just turn it on. And you can also optimize SEO if you wish to. You can add title and many more things, descriptions, keywords from here. Also you can generate keywords here and you can just simply add them. So that's it. Now you can save it up. So this is what my website looks like. So this is how you can create a website using Odoo, a perfect website builder for you and your business. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on another video. And if you want to activate it, you just have to tap on pending activate and confirm your Gmail address. That's it.